Hi there, students. Gear. Gear is a noun, but it can also be used as a verb. Okay, gears are when you have a small wheel that drives a big wheel, or a big wheel that drives a small wheel. This is the transmission of your car or a bicycle. Yeah, it's a cylinder with teeth, a cog that drives another one. So you can change gear on your bike. You could shift gear in your car. So it varies the speed and the power coming through from the engine or from your legs. But we use gear for many other things as well. Very often we informally use the word gear to mean stuff, things. He put all his gear in a suitcase and left. His personal belongings. My gear is in the back of the car. Can I put it in my room? They also use gear to talk about clothes. I really like the gear you're wearing. It looks brilliant. I think there's even a brand called LA Gear, LA Clothes. From this we also use gear to mean equipment, to do something, particularly for sports and things like this. I've got my tennis gear so we can play later. He had all his climbing gear in a rucksack. You can also use it for a profession. So the plumber put his gear on the floor and started work. Okay, so gear, things. Now, let's look at to gear as a verb. To gear is to make suitable for a specific group. So, for example, this channel is geared towards advanced students. It's not geared towards beginners. Notice geared towards, geared at, geared to, but I think I like towards best. This product is geared towards teenagers. It's made to be suitable for them. It's made to be the type of thing they like. This town is geared to tourism. Because that's where the money comes from. So it's geared towards tourism. It makes all the businesses and the infrastructure is more suitable for tourists than maybe for residential. Now, the next question, how formal is this word gear? Well, it depends on which meaning you're using. A gear for a bicycle or a car, this is neutral. You could use it informally and very formally. But gear meaning stuff or clothes or equipment, this is very informal. And that I would only use in an informal conversation in the pub. I think I would use things or chattels more formally. Or clothes, or your equipment. Yeah, these are more formal words. And then to gear towards, I think this is more neutral. I probably give this a 5. Yeah, you could use it in an informal conversation, but I think you could use it semi-formally and formally as well. So it's geared to each of the different formalities. Notice as well, to gear is a regular verb. They geared it, they have geared it. Now, last question, what about the origin? Well, in Proto-Germanic, there's a word called gawijana, which means to prepare. So, yeah, geared towards, prepared towards. And I guess the gears on your car, they're prepared towards one speed or another speed. Yeah? If you've got your equipment to do something, you're prepared to do it. Okay? So your car needs a new gearbox. Put your stuff or put your gear in the corner over there. I bought some new gear for the wedding. Have you got your tennis gear? Have you got your sports gear in your sports bag? And this is geared towards older people. The tourism in this country should be geared towards people with money rather than geared towards the alcohol, sun, beach and sex gearing that it has at the moment. Okay, so there you go, gear. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gear.